Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have two more junk journals to show you. These are not really vintage at all. They're a lot of new things. There is some vintage lace in here, but that's about it. And then I have, in the Mermaid book, I have one vintage image that I printed out, but that's about it. Everything else is pretty new, but it is a junk journal because it has different kinds of paper and different cards and things that are in it, so still classified as a junk journal. So they're both paper bound, like the covers are paper, and I used the Stay Magical paper pad from Michaels on it. So I'll go ahead and go through the Mermaid one here. This one's super cute. There's the front and there's the back. And this is 6 inches by 9 inches. I sewed on paper at the top here, and then I sewed this cut apart here. And the whole cover is sewn all the way around. And then on the back here, I put some really pretty, well, some sparkly tulle and this silver trim. And then on the front, I sewed a ruffle here of this sparkly water-looking fabric. It is tied up with a fabric tie, and the tie is sewn into the cover. There's a charm that comes on here, and the charm has some pink and turquoise beads, as well as a fish charm and a shell charm. So I have 2 of these available in my Etsy shop, and they're pretty much both the same. So I'll go ahead and do a quick flip through. I have, per usual on my journals, I do all kinds of sewing in them, all kinds of flip outs, lots of places for journaling, lots of tuck spots. I did some fun food color dyeing of paper and cards and things throughout. Here's a lunch sack here. It's a pocket. This is a little card. It says, "You are amazing." This is a giant playing card. A little flip up there. Tuck spot. Here's that vintage image I was telling you about. It's a music, like a sheet music cover. It says "Down by the Sea." Here is one of the cards that says "You are amazing" here. It flips up, and I sewed it so there's like a pocket right there. There's a tuck. There's some Mermaid lined paper. A little tag. There's a tuck there. Doily. I did some more food color dyeing on that one. There's some flip ups. Tuck there, and I will have a goodie bag that goes along with it, as well as all the tags and things that are inside the book that you see now. There's a little craft bag there. Here's an envelope that I sewed on, so there's a tuck spot there. This opens up here, and it's a little pocket. There's another tuck with more of that paper. Tuck spot there. Or lots of tucks and things. Here's a really cool little confetti bag that I sewed on with a receipt there. Here is a little card that I sewed on. You can get lots of journaling and pictures on that. Another tuck. More tucks and pockets. Here's the other side of that bag. There's another little tag that I made. A little tuck there. And that's the inside cover there. So then there's the bag. As I said, there's a charm on here and it is removable. There's a big lobster clasp on there, so that can come off and you can put it wherever you want to. And it is long enough, the strings are long enough to tie a bow on the side if you want. So that one turned out super cute. There are 2 of those in my shop. If you want to know all the details, go ahead and click on the link to go over to my shop and it'll tell you exactly like how big it is and how many pages and everything. But I think there's about 52 to 66 pages, like back and front on that one. And then for the unicorn one, move that over there. This one has a tie that goes all the way around and comes completely off. And there is a charm on this one as well. And it has a little unicorn on the bottom there. And that one can come off. It's just one of those big lobster clasps. So just undo this here. And this one again is 6 by 9. And it is a full paper cover. And I sewed all this here. This one has the pockets for both the back and the front. There. And then there's a couple of the cut aparts from the collection in there. And a tuck. I sewed some that, I think it's like seam binding or that edging. I can't remember what that's called right now. There's a tuck. This cute little rainbow bag. That's cute. I made these side pockets here to go. There's 2 of them there. And then this is a full pocket there. Here's another little paper clip there. And graph paper. A little tuck spot. Here's a side pocket. Another little tuck there. Belly band. This is a pocket there. And then here's a little flip out that's sewed, and then you can put stuff in the side there as well. Another little cut apart. And a little pocket. And then here's the middle. Just love how that turned out. I have it tied up with some purple and white twine. And then here's some mermaid paper, or I mean unicorn paper. One of the little cut aparts there. So this is just fun pastel colors. I love it. This would be great for a young girl's birthday gift or just anyone. I love unicorns and mermaids, so I would definitely like this. So a little lace pocket or belly band. Here's a little envelope. It has a cut apart in it. This is a side pocket. And then here's the other end of that little bag that I cut on the top, and then it has a little pocket to put a tag in there. And then here are 2 little flip outs there. And there's the last page. So super fun. There's 2 of these available as well as the mermaid ones, so I hope you go over and check out those in my Etsy shop. And I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.